Welcome. Today we are going to make Chettinad mutton fry. First heat the pressure cooker, then add 500 grams of mutton, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Now add 40 milliliters of water, quarter teaspoon of red chilli powder. Now close the pressure cooker and let it blow 6 whistles. Now heat a fry pan, add 2 teaspoon of oil, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 finely chopped onions. Now saute it until the onion is translucent. Now add 1 dried red chili, one sprig of curry leaves, two teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for a minute. Now add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of fennel seeds powder, cumin seeds powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, and red chilli powder half teaspoon. Saute it for few seconds. Now add the cooked mutton pieces along with the water. Cook until the water shrinks. Now add half teaspoon of pepper powder. Now the mutton fry is ready. Please try at your home. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends, comment and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.